Hello my art monsters. Today we're gonna do a beginner acrylic texture piece. And I'm using Impasto by Mont art for the first time. So I got some white. Get some yellow, pink, some blue. All the colors will be in the description. One of my favorite brushes to use, especially for blending, is a makeup brush. Like one of those kabuki brushes, like an eyeshadow blending brush. Seriously, those are my go-to. I also want to say, please excuse my left hand because I've been having a lot of health issues lately. I just got over an infection. My whole left arm just went completely numb and weak. So I've been using a glove, but now it feels a little better. I just pushed myself, tried my hardest. Now here I'm just painting a moon. Just get a circle, hard as you can. It was really hard for me here, honestly. My nerves were just so shaky. I struggled, even as a good artist, if you would call me that. Make some mountains, however you'd like. I put a piece of tape just so I can have a nice straight line for composition. I'll do another video on that later. So here I just mixed yellow and pink together, and I'm just making the front of the landscape. Would you call it the foreground? Honestly, I went to high school for art class. We learned all that, but I just like to paint my heart out. So let me know in the comments below. What is that called? Is it the foreground? I don't think it is. I think the foreground is the back. So here I'm just getting some green, and I'm using a bristle brush. Then we use a tapping motion, covering the line where the mountains end. And you just put it all over, nice dark colors so we can build up our colors on top. Here I'm just creating little bushes everywhere, leaving some of the pink out from the sky, and the sandy color of the desert kind of. Then I added some yellow on top of the wet paint to easy blend. Just keep building up the layers with the yellow. I'm getting some of the pink so I can add it in there and mix the colors together to blend it in nicely. So now I'm starting to create my cactus. If you want to make it easier for yourself, you can always draw it prior with a pencil or a white pencil, so it's easier. And then create your little cactus with some black paint. So now I'm using Marte. I don't know if I'm saying that right. The Impasto. It's a thickening gel. You add any color paint you want. Alright, now I'm adding black, so then we can add that to the cactuses. So you can use a palette knife, or I like to use a brush, and you just dab it on there. And there we go. We have a cactus desert acrylic piece with some texture on it as well. I really enjoyed creating this for you guys. I hope you enjoyed creating it, and I would love to see all your creations. You can tag me on my Instagram. You can send it to me in the email if you'd like. I had so much fun, and I'll definitely keep creating more, and then maybe I'll create versions of these ones of like more advanced, I guess, so then it can help you learn more tips. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful, artsy, creative day.